Passive income isn't some mythical creature. It's achievable with the right strategy. Forget complex schemes, we're diving into a simple $50 per day blueprint. First, identify your skills. What are you good at? Writing, design, or perhaps data entry? Turn those skills into microservices on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Offer targeted, affordable services. Price competitively to attract initial clients. Focus on delivering exceptional work to build a positive reputation. Positive reviews are your marketing engine. As your reputation grows, gradually increase your prices. Next, explore affiliate marketing. Find products or services you genuinely believe in. Share your honest reviews and recommendations on a blog or YouTube channel. Regularly update your offerings and content to stay relevant. Automate tasks where possible. Use scheduling tools for social media and email marketing to free up your time. Monitor your income streams closely. Analyze what's working and what's not. Refine your strategies to maximize your earnings.